Hello friends, welcome to Avanti's cookbook. This is guacamole. This is made of avocado. Avocado is a very fun food, very nutritious and very good source of monosaturated fat. So this is the recipe that I'm going to share with you today. But before that, if you are new to my channel, do like, subscribe and share my channel. So here are my ingredients for the guacamole. I have taken 2 avocados which I have cut into slices. Then I have taken a small size onion chopped finely, 1 medium sized tomato finely chopped, some coriander leaves for garnishing, a teaspoon of cumin powder, salt to taste, and less than a tablespoon of lemon juice. This guacamole I am going to nicely smash it. Next I will add in chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, cumin powder, some salt, and mix all this. And also added my coriander leaves. Finally, I will pour in my lemon juice. So this is ready. I'll get into a serving bowl. So here it is, friends. My guacamole is ready. This is a very healthy breakfast recipe and avocado itself is very healthy. So do try this recipe and do let me know your comments in the comment section below. Till then, take care, enjoy.